1. Clean the lint filter thoroughly. Use the narrow wand attachment on your vacuum cleaner to remove as much lint as possible that is built up underneath the filer itself. If you don't have a vacuum, insert a duster into the filter well and wipe up the lint. 2. Vacuum or wipe down the interior of the dryer, including the door seal. 3. Detach the dryer lint duct and clean it out, or vacuum it out. 4. Check the outside vent. Lift the flap and make sure there isn't any debris or lint blocking the vent, preventing air from escaping freely. 5. Wash down the top and the exterior of the dryer. Use warm, sudsy water and then rinse the soap residue off. 6. Remove melted crayon, ink or dyes by applying an all-purpose spray cleaner on the drum and wipe it up with a damp cloth or paper towel. For extra measure, toss a few old towels into the dryer and run it on the high setting for about 20 minutes. Any color residue not removed with the spray cleaner will transfer to your old towels.